Hi students, today we will move to the next poem, that is Convergence of the Twain, okay, written by Thomas Hardy. First we will move to the glossary. See here. Convergence means coming together towards a common point. Twin means two, old use poetical, okay. Smart, elegant or fashionable. Stature, size and importance. Grace, quality of being beautiful. Titanic, name of the ship. It comes from Titan in Greek legend, one of a family of giants who ruled the world. Okay. Hue, the degree of brightness in color. Iceberg, a large piece of ice floating in the sea, most of which is below the surface. Titanic, of great strength, size, power, importance, etc. Here Titanic, it is used as a noun, and here Titanic used as a adjective. Okay, so there were different meanings. Okay, so alien, here so different as to be the opposite of one another, incompatible. Okay, shadow, shadowy, here hidden, causing a feeling of mystery and fear. In shadowy silent distance means this phrase makes the reader feel something mysterious and fearful. No mortal eye could see, no one could foretell. Intimate wedding means close joining. History, here history means story. Unknown means it is an adverb, old use and poetical, in a short time or soon. Spinner of the years, here spinner of the years means faith means luck. Okay. Consummation means the point at which something is made completely. Okay, so here is the poem Lines on the Loss of the Titanic. Okay, so long ago there was a terrible accident in the Atlantic Ocean. A ship called Titanic sank. Thousands of people died. There was no electronic signaling system at that time. Okay, so Thomas Hardy sees the hand of faith in that accident. Read the poem and find out more about the accident. So here is a poem about the Titanic ship. Okay. And as the smart ship grew in stature, grace and hue, in shadowy silent distance grew the iceberg too. Alien they seemed to be, no mortal eye could see the intimate welding of their later history, or sign that they were bent by path coincident on being unknown twin house of one August event till the spinner of the years said now, and each one hears, and consummation comes and jars two hemispheres. So here is the poem that and as the smart ship grew in stature, grace and hue, in shadowy silent distance grew the icebergs too. So poet is here, the first stanza tells that while the Titanic was being built, nature too prepared against it, creating a sense of menace in the lines shadowy silent distance grew the iceberg too. Here shadowy means, I told you in the glossary, hidden or causing a feeling of mystery and fear, right? And the structure means size and importance. Then grace means quality of being beautiful. Then hue means the degree of brightness in color. Okay, so alien they seem to be, no mortal eye could see the intimate welding of their later history. So here the unspoken force was a predestined and unavoidable event, premeditated by some hidden uncontrollable force. Okay, so though they both are opposite to one another, they grieve together, they are coming closer to join, but no one could predict future happenings. No one could predict the future of happenings. Okay, so or say that they were bent by paths coincident on being unknown twin house of one August event. So both the Titanic and the icebergs grew without anyone ever knowing that they were sign of being purposefully created by the creator. Okay, so they are coming close by the paths in coincidence. Okay, so they were being the two house of tragedy of one August event. Okay, so till the spinner of the years said now, and each one hears, and consummation comes and jars two hemispheres. Here poet tells us that the great importance and especially of the highest social class who is unsympathetic to nature in the last stanza. Faith is personified spinner of the years. Here space is personified as the spinner of the years. Okay, so which suggests that some force planned this purposefully. The faith decides now which is the time for, nothing can change it. This is a time for collision. Collision means gharshane. Nothing can change it. Nothing can we change it. Okay, so consummation comes and joins two hemispheres. Consummation means the point at which something is made complete. So consummation comes and joins two hemispheres. Hemispheres means in Kannada Ardhagola. Okay, gives the idea that human pride was shattered when the ship sank. The two hemispheres refer to either side of the world. The word jars could be the news filtering through and the familiar being devastated, and also human pride being jarred because of those proud to see the ship leave and those waiting for it to arrive. Anxiously, unfortunately, path takes its own decision which is different from people's expectations. So there is a there is a faith. Faith means luck. Our luck takes its own decisions, that which is different from our expectations. Okay, so here is a terrible accident in the Atlantic Ocean. A ship called Titanic, and it is sank in the ocean, right, into the ocean, and there were thousands of people were died. There was no electronic signaling system in that time. In that time there was no electronic signals. Okay, so it is sank into the ocean and thousands of people were died. Okay, understood? Okay, bye.